On our distributions is 410 furnace. It's the after cleanup. All the trash out. This room here. It's room 2. Bathroom. Got that one cleared out. Alright. The moment of truth at 410 furnace is going to be the downstairs. Everything all cleaned out. Floor probably need a good scrubbing from the patent, but we got it all cleared out. Down on distribution at 410 furnace. Sink is all cleaned out. It's back room here. Again, we got the one window boarded up. One more walk around. Here we have truckload, another truckload here. Everything cleared off the porch. The Elyia distribution at 410 furnace. Clean out afterwards. You're fine.